Nissan GT-R R34 is one of the most popular models in the GT-R family, with its origin going back to 1957. As of now, there are only 4 Nissan GT-R R34 Skylines in the country. The grey one that you see here was imported to Delhi in the mid-2000s and was quite a car to own during those times. However, it has now been abandoned somewhere in Coimbatore, which is quite sad. The price of this car is about 2.12 Cr. While most of us are dreaming of owning a significant vehicle such as the Murcielago, some drivers don't have a problem with leaving the car to rot. The owner of the Murcielago was fortunate to own a vehicle that boosted a 6.2-litre V12 engine, pumping out 641 horsepower and needing 3.4 seconds to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour, as well as a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The British manufacturer produced the Silver Shadow from 1965 until 1980. During that period, Rolls-Royce manufactured just over 30,000 units. Considering the car is an expensive luxury vehicle, the automaker sold a lot of units. The car was available as a 2-door coupe or convertible, as well as a 4-door salon. The Shadow is a keeper and deserves an owner who will appreciate it. Owners of the car should take every precaution to ensure their car is in perfect condition, as the collectors are eyeing for the vehicle. According to Daily Hunt, the DRI seized the pictured Maserati Gran Turismo due to the owner having issues with paying the customs. The car has a 4.3-litre V8 engine that is capable of pumping out 400 horsepower. The Maserati Gran Turismo's price starts at 2.25 crore and goes up to 2.48 crore. The Rolls-Royce Silver Spur is one of the best models that the Rolls-Royce produced. The Silver Spur was the first car to feature the retractable Spirit of Ecstasy. This car was produced in England from 1980 to 1997. The Silver Spur is a long wheelbase version of the Silver Spirit, produced from 1980 to 2000. The asking price of this Rolls-Royce Silver Spur is Rs 41 lakhs currently. The Hummer H2 is a large SUV that was marketed by Hummer and built in the AM General facility under contract from General Motors from 2002 to 2009. A 4-door pickup truck version with a midgate that opens the vehicle's interior to the external cargo bed was introduced from 2005 as the H2 SUT. Many celebrities have chosen a Bentley as their preferred luxury vehicle. The car is elegant and provides ample space in the cabin, while the driver can step up on the pedal to get a good performance from the vehicle. Under the bonnet is a 6-litre W12 engine that is capable of pumping out 626 horsepower for consumers who opt for the twin-turbo option. Consumers who want luxury and speed should opt for the Continental, as it needs only 3.7 seconds to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Bentley Continental GT price starts at 3.29 crore and goes up to 4.4 crore. The price of the petrol variant for the Continental GT ranges from 3.29 crore to 4.4 crore. The German manufacturer Porsche has found the right balance between performance, reliability and price with all of its models. Dig into Porsche's history to find one of the best models that it had built, and it will lead you to a 911 Carrera 2. Apart from the elegant exterior, the cabin provides comfort while the engine pumps out a good performance. Finding a 90s Carrera 2 isn't an easy task to achieve, but it is worth the effort. Considering that a Phantom costs about $400,000, one would think that owners of the prestigious car would do everything in their power to look after the vehicle. It seems that some drivers could be less fazed by owning a Phantom. Although the car has a bulky frame, consumers who purchase a Phantom shouldn't be surprised to experience performance, as the bonnet boasts a 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine capable of pumping out 453 horsepower. The price of the Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at Rs 8.99 crore and goes up to Rs 10.48 crore. During the unveiling of the vehicle to snap the picture of the abandoned vehicle, the people who discovered the vehicle saw that the car was missing the Aston Martin emblem and the license plates. Aston Martin began the production of the Vantage in 2005 with a V8 engine but changed to a V12 from 2009. The price of the Aston Martin Vantage is 2.95 crore ex-showroom. Demand for a Lamborghini Countach was limited as Lamborghini produced only under 2,000 units during the 16-year production run. Italian design house Burton pioneered and popularized the sharply angled Italian wedge design language. Lamborghini unveiled the prototype at the 1971 Geneva Motor Show as a Lamborghini LP500 concept car. Although the car is more than 40 years old, it looks stunning and is a classic. The owner of the pictured Countach should have held on for the car for dear life, as it could fetch for big money at the auctions.